Do you ever dream of creating your own delectable, colorful pasta dishes in the comfort of your kitchen? Imagine preparing fresh pasta and experimenting with various ingredients to suit your unique taste preferences. The Philips Avance collection pasta maker can turn this dream into a reality, and in less than 10 minutes. In this in-depth review, we'll explore how this ingenious appliance can revolutionize your pasta making journey. The magic of healthy, colorful pasta, the Philips Avance collection pasta maker offers you the power to transform ordinary meals into extraordinary culinary experiences. By automatically producing fresh pasta and noodles in under 10 minutes, it brings a world of possibilities to your kitchen. Say goodbye to bland, store-bought pasta and welcome the vibrant, healthy world of homemade pasta. Mix and match your ingredients. This pasta maker is your ticket to culinary freedom. Experiment with healthy, gluten-free, or alternative ingredients. Tantalize your taste buds with pasta that suits your dietary preferences. With the Philips Avance collection pasta maker, you're in control, ensuring that every bite aligns with your personal culinary vision. Convenient weighing feature. Not sure how much flour or liquid to use? No worries. This pasta maker boasts an automatic weighing feature that takes the guesswork out of your pasta preparation. It accurately measures the flour you need and even indicates the right amount of liquid, ensuring consistently perfect pasta every time. Plus, the dishwasher-safe components make cleanup a breeze. A world of pasta shapes. Unleash your creativity with 8 different mold attachments, enabling you to craft a wide variety of pasta shapes. From classic spaghetti to penne, fettuccine to tagliatelle, pappardelle to lasagna, angel hair to thick spaghetti and noodles, the possibilities are endless. You'll enjoy making different pasta shapes to suit various dishes and occasions. What's in the box? Your Philips Avance collection pasta maker package includes the pasta maker itself, along with 8 versatile mold attachments to fuel your culinary creativity. Additionally, it comes with a convenient cleaning tool and a measuring cup to simplify your pasta making experience. In summary, the Philips Avance collection pasta maker is a kitchen innovation that will inspire your inner chef. It empowers you to prepare fresh, colorful, and healthy pasta quickly and easily. With its automatic weighing feature, versatile mold attachments, and included recipe book, you'll enjoy crafting pasta that delights your palate and impresses your loved ones. Why settle for ordinary pasta when you can create extraordinary pasta dishes in less than 10 minutes? Say goodbye to pre-packaged pasta and embrace the world of homemade, healthy, and colorful pasta with the Philips Avance collection pasta maker. Make each meal a culinary adventure. Elevate your pasta game. Reimagine your kitchen. The Philips Avance collection pasta maker is here to unlock your culinary potential.